Everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously, and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, today I will be sharing some Vechain news with my Vechain family, but before I begin I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright, so this article was published by Crypto's Newsflash, so all credit goes to them, and like always, I will leave the link in the description box below if you want to check it out. So yeah, let's jump into it. Vechain. The new consensus algorithm offers strong performance and security. The chief scientist of the Vechain Foundation, Peter Zhao, has explained in a new article on Medium why Vechain needs to introduce a revised consensus algorithm and how it works. The new consensus algorithm, called Surface or Proof of Authority POA 2.0, was already presented in February in a research paper. Via Twitter, Zhao wrote yesterday that the new article should give the Vechain community a better understanding. Communicating our research work to VFam is extremely important to me. That's why Dr. Ren and I have written another article about POA 2.0. Our goal is to allow everyone to understand why we need it, how we designed it, and what's great about it. Commenting on the motivation for the introduction of Proof of Authority 2.0, Zhao said the introduction is primarily motivated by the growing demand for the Vechain Tor blockchain. However, as application and businesses running on the Vechain Tor public blockchain thrive, there is an ever-growing demand for better performance, higher TPS, and faster transaction confirmations, and uncompromised security to empower business innovations within Vechain's ecosystem. The best of both worlds, Vechain new consensus algorithm. Vechain solves this problem with the new consensus algorithm developed according to the design principle hope for the best and prepare for the worst to ensure both high performance network under the desired condition and uncompromising security under undesirable condition. Vechain relies on dual consensus model. Specifically, the POA uses the Nakamoto and BFT consensus. Zhao describes the approach as follows. You guys can read more about the approach if you want to. Like I said, the link would be in the description box below. In detail, Zhao explained that research with Oxford University has shown that the fork rate is the single largest factor affecting the performance of the Nakamoto consensus mechanism. To solve this problem, Surface is introducing a committee to improve the new block generated in each consensus. The BFT consensus, on the other hand, is designed to prepare the Vechain Tor blockchain for the worst, such as the strong partition of the network, or as a strong partition of the network or a massive DDoS attack. And lastly, he says, with such a dual consensus mechanism, a transaction will be first confirmed within a rather short time, example, less than 1 minute, and then finalized after 5 minutes. Users could use confirmed transactions for daily usage, as it is at least as secure as other blockchains using Nakamoto consensus like Bitcoin or Ethereum. They can also wait for a longer time till the transactions are finalized if absolute security is required. Very interesting updates coming out of Vechain. Very exciting. So if we jump into the price right now for Vechain, we could see that Vechain is up 7.1% in 24 hours. So it is moving up gradually to its prices that it was trading at before the bloodbath that we saw last week. And I believe gradually it is going to go up, and in the next coming weeks it will go up to its previous prices where it was trading as long as Bitcoin does not decide to go more down, which there is still a possibility. I'm not going to say it is not out of the books. There is still a possibility for Bitcoin to fill that CME gap, but long term it is looking good. right now I am very happy with my current holdings for Vechain. Like as you guys may know, I'm a long-term believer for Vechain. But if I was not happy with the amount of Vechains I was holding, this is the time I would be accumulating. And right now I'm waiting for my pay to come this Friday, and because there are other coins I want to scoop up in the market while the prices stay at this cheap, because a lot of coins hit like went down 40 to 50%. So it's a very good time for me to be accumulating the coins. I'm not telling you guys you have to do the same thing as me. You guys do what works for you. Never copy what I'm doing. But yeah, so moving on to the next news for today. So the next news for today is Elrond, guys. This right here. Elrond, I mean, I'm sorry, not Elrond. Elrond. So if you are a Elrond holder, if you're an Elrond holder, Bitfinex just listed Elrond on their exchanges. As you guys may know, obviously, if you're a believer of Elrond, you may know that they had their mainnet was launched, and then their circulation supply got cut big time. So now the circulation supply is only $13 million, and it's just got listed on Bitfinex. So if you are holding what's it called, if you're holding the EGLD token, it's saying deposit 20 EGLD and trade for a shot at 7.5 EGLD daily price. So if you're interested in this, you guys can go check out Bitfinex, only if you're interested in it. But yeah, if I did cover Elrond. I made a price prediction. I went over what the project is all about, and the more I do research on Elrond, the more I like it, the more interesting I find it. And on Friday, like I said earlier, my pay is gonna be coming in. That's where I want to be accumulating Elrond, because I believe Elrond has a very bright future, and I could see this thing pop off like crazy, even though it's already up 1700% from its bottom. Yeah, like EGLD is the new ticker for the Elrond. Before it was ERD, I believe. And yeah, guys, that I believe this is gonna blast off in the upcoming bull run. And but that's just my own personal opinion. You guys do your own research before investing in these markets. But yeah, definitely I will be accumulating more EGLD, and I hope it sticks at these prices before like I hope it sticks at these prices until my pay arrives, because right now I have no other funds left. But yeah, I'm moving on to the market overall. I'm just going to briefly go over the market overall. We are sitting at a $334 billion market cap, with the BTC dominance at 56.9%. So BTC dominance has continued to drop, which is a sign that altcoins are gonna be ready to take off for its next leg up. But like I said earlier, Bitcoin needs to stick, and it needs to chill around these levels and not be volatile, because if it is volatile, then I believe BTC dominance is gonna go up again and altcoins will fall. But if we're looking at the markets right now, everything is in green. Some projects are in deep green, such as Cosmos 11%, Aave 22.86%, Yearn Finance 23%. You get the picture. Altcoin season is leg two is coming, in my opinion, and slowly all these projects are gonna creep up to its previous highs. So this goes to show that if you hold, you will be fine. You never want to sell at a loss unless the money that you have invested is for too much for you to lose, and you never want to be investing first off, you're not never want to be investing too much. But if it's too much for you to lose, then I would say like you guys can sell it. But if you're in it for the long haul and you are satisfied with the money that you're invested in, and you could afford to lose, then I would say just hold, and you will be fine, because these drops do come. And next time I hope some of you in the markets that you're new into the markets, you have learned something new, because now you have learned that these drops do occur. So when you see crazy amounts, you see 2x 3x, always take some profits and just keep it in USDT. Yeah, and when the markets do like have a bloodbath, like 20% markets drop, then you know what you could be doing. You could be using that USDT to be buying the same project or other projects that you like with that USDT, and that, or you could use that money for your personal use. So it's always good to take profits. Like I always say, it's always good to take profits, along the line. So yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts down below. What do you guys think about the markets? What do you guys think? Are we gonna close off this month with bullish still or bearish? I would love to know your thoughts down below. I believe we will finish this month off bullish, but that's just my own personal opinion. You guys do what you guys think, and also don't forget to like, because guys, if you like the video, it does help my channel grow. It helps push my videos out to other viewers, and it's good for the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And stay safe out there, guys, because the pandemic's going on. Safety comes first, health comes first, personal health comes first, and family comes first. Everything else, it comes later. Cryptocurrencies and cars, house, money, it all comes later, because family is the most important thing at the end of the day, guys. And that's just my own personal opinion. But yeah, guys, please stay safe out there, and thank you so much for all the support you guys have been showing me. It really, really does mean the world to me. I really, really appreciate it, guys. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for all the support. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up around here. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.